The saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus, is the world's largest living reptile, capable of reaching lengths exceeding 20 feet, 6 meters, and weighing over 2,200 pounds, 1,000 kilograms. Native to Southeast Asia, northern Australia, and parts of the Indian subcontinent, they inhabit both saltwater and freshwater environments. Known for their aggressive nature, these apex predators possess tremendous jaw strength and are opportunistic hunters, preying on fish, birds, and mammals, including large land animals. Saltwater crocodiles are highly adaptable and can tolerate a wide range of habitats, from mangrove swamps to open sea. Their territorial behavior and powerful physique make them formidable and potentially dangerous to humans.